Kitchen, good food. Hilda's Kitchen, oizy bun papo. Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment. Hilda's Bun Papa. Hilda's Kitchen. 909-979-527. As you can see, our onion looks very translucent, very nice and soft, right? Now I'm going to add our rice to it and toast it for a while. As you can see, our rice is toasted. Add in our soy sauce. Our salt. Oops. Keep toasting it for about 5 minutes on a very low heat, right? So you can tell almost all the rice is white. Add in our hot water. Veggies is all you good, sister. The veggies no looking young. Yeah. Na last me because wedding nursing one shot sister. Shana will this is much easier and it lasts longer compared to fried rice. It's one or two, but as a caterer, if you want the best for your business, use this method. You can watch from Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. I'm gonna man why I under them no sister. Hilda's Kitchen. Hilda's Kitchen. Esipan papa fie. Ibeko na san aba ebisibio. Baby awo yesipan. What so? What you feel? Na isi so. When we veggie because mo awo savage banu po. Wo hu ya onno keke. What so? Miss this part, so I'm using my parchment paper to cover the rice. Yeah, now I allow it on a very low heat. I record is when papa good food made in a clean environment. Look at this beautiful rice. Yeah. Look at that. Very healthy. Yeah. You are all invited. hwɛ na akɔno akokɔ na shito so bi wɔ hɔ or rain wɔ ase wɔ papa bi bye bye